Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this class, I'll be showing you how to create a presentation. And a presentation before this time was made on Microsoft. Okay, there's this software um, that they usually make use of when making presentation. It is called Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, that is what a presentation. That is the tool that was used to make presentation before, but all thanks to Canva. With Canva, we can make presentation, stunning presentation with our phones, with our smartphones. Okay, and I'll be showing you how to do that today. It can be a presentation that you are presenting something in the church, a business proposal, or you are teaching. Maybe you are a teacher or your client is a teacher and the person wants you to make a presentation for them. You create all the slides that they'll be making use of, design their presentation for them so that when they get to where they'll be teaching, they'll just be using the slides to switch it over, and the presentation have all the information they need. So what you need to do is to come over to this search bar and type presentation. Then when you click on it, when you click on search, it's going to load so many of them, both the free and the paid ones. Just look for it, search, see the one that resonates with what you want to use it for. It can be for yourself, it can be for your client. So let's choose this one. I like this one. Then allow it to load so that we'll make use of it, customize it, let it become our own, and we'll make it look beautiful. So a presentation can have so many pages. It depends on what you are presenting. If you are a teacher and you want to teach something that is long, you can have as many pages from 1 to 5 to 10 to 20 to 50. It all depends on you and your preference, okay? So if you come here, you see that this presentation have so many slides. You see? It is up to 12. It has 12 pages. Have you seen it? This presentation now has 12 pages. So if you are really interested in all the 12 pages, fine. If you are not interested in all the 12 pages, you can decide to edit it and choose how many pages you'll be making use of. Okay, so in this case, we'll be making use of just 3 pages for an instance. So we are here already on the first page. What do? Let's import our logo. Let's bring our logo. One of the logos that we made, that we designed in the course of this masterclass. In this course, we designed the logo, so we'll upload the logo here and use it to do it. Yes, this was the logo we designed. So we can decide to delete some of these things. Just delete some of these things, the one you may not like. So over here we have it. We have our logo, the logo of our school. So we have the logo of our school displaying here, and it is looking very nice. So we can decide to maybe bring in a shape. So let's go to elements. Let's go to elements so that we can bring a shape. Let's bring a shape. Yes, this looks good. So let's assume we are designing this thing now for our school. This can be for the school. So when you're done, you can now send it back. Click on send back. Click on send to back so that it goes to the back, and our logo will come out. So you can drag it up here, and it looks okay now. So you come here and edit it. You can say command high school proposal. Command high school. Let's say command high school get together, or proposal. Let's just use proposal. Then we can resize it, just drag it, or better still, just come to font size. Use your hand and reduce it to the size you prefer. Then draw it like this, so it looks fine. When you are okay, just come here, give it a nice color so that it will look very okay. Just give it a nice color so that it will look very okay. This is nice. This is looking good. So you can now come here and bold it. Then you come to format and centralize it so that it will be in the middle like this. Yes, this is looking nice. Then you can change the font and give it a better font that will make it come out very well. Okay, so just look for fonts. This font looks okay. This font looks okay. Just leave it here. Yes, so we are done with this. Just bring it here. So over here we can edit this one and say get together. You can edit and say get together. Then change the color, or we can leave it as white, bold it, and also italize it. Yes, this looks better. All right, so this is it. It looks nice. Now we can go to the next page. The next page has to be with the content that they are going to be discussing. Since this is a school proposal, or let's call it get together, in your own case you can choose whatever you think works for you, or whatever you are designing it for, because your clients that you are working for will be the one to tell you what to design. Or if you are doing it for yourself, you already know what to design. So all this is just an imaginary something. So you can just come here, click on right here, and write table of contents, or better still, just type contents. Just type contents and change the color. Can make the color to be let's say red. Change the color to red, then bold it. Then we can decide to delete this image. Just delete it. Now import another image. Can come here and type teacher. You can come here and type teacher. So that is going to be a table of content. Let it look like maybe someone is going to be instructing a thing. So you can choose this. Yes, you can choose this. You can decide to put it like this. Then this you will click on the photo, come here and send it to back. Send to back, so that we will be, and like this is okay. Something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. Now all you have to do is to edit the image. Just edit the image. You see the color of the shirt. You see the place that is black. We can change this one here. Change it to this color. Change it to this color. Now we change the color of his skin to, let's say, so we can change the color of his skin like this is okay. Then we can change the color of his hair. Can change the color of his hair. Just leave it like this. Then the color of the shirt, the color of the part of the book, and this looks okay. So these ones are nice. So this is the table of contents. Now we'll come here and edit this stuff here. So you can put in your own. Let's say number 1, you're going to be discussing about the students. Now we are going to be having a PTA meetings. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to be designing this. Then you leave it and just carry it up here. Now duplicate to as many times as you like. Duplicate it to as many times as you like. Just make it look nice. Okay, then the second one, you edit it. Instead of students, you now write PTA meetings. You edit the third one. Instead of students, you can now write staff meetings. Okay, now the fourth one, maybe the school needs a new principal. You can discuss about the principal. Or if the school needs to go into marketing, creating flyers and posters and going to radio stations and advertising, you can click on, you can type marketing. Okay, it can be marketing and all of it. So all these things now can be determined based on what the school really wants. So whoever that is going to give you a presentation to make for him or her already know what they need it for. Your job is to just pick it. Your job is to pick it. Once they give you a presentation to make for them, then they give you all the details to do. Your work is to combine all of it and make it look nice. Okay, so we can move into the third one. Let's assume these are the things on the content that they'll be discussing about the student. They'll be having PTA meetings, staff meetings. They will talk about principal, marketing, then the rest. So we'll move to the next one. This is the school. So let's assume this is a new school and they are starting up. So the first thing is the school. This is what the name of the school and what the presentation is all about. While the second one is the table of contents, what they will be discussing. So this is a new school that is starting up, and here is everything they will be discussing in their first gathering, their first get together. Now the third one is the company profile. It's not all presentations that are always like this. Like I said, it depends on what the client wants to use it for. It can be that your client is a tutor. Maybe the person is an online tutor who teaches people online, or who always hosts webinars. They can't have the same thing. They can't have the same presentation. You yourself, you might be a student, or someone who is a student that is graduating and they need a presentation, or you want to teach people and you need a presentation. So this presentation varies based on what you yourself want, or what your client wants, what the person told you. Okay, so when you come here, based on this particular one that we are using, which is a startup company, what we need is the company profile. So we can come here and change the color. Can change the color to this as the company profile. Yes, this looks nice. We can delete some of these things. We don't need all of them all over here. So that color there, we can change it and change it like this. Let the color be like this, and we come here and make it be like this. All right, so we can now check what the things they have written here is our mission, our mission, our vision, our goals. So based on what you were given, they just come here, and so we can just say we believe in teaching and coaching young people into becoming their best selves. Okay, so I wrote this here. This is just something I came up with. In your own case, you can try out a different thing. Just think out something that is nice. Whatever you think it is okay. Whatever you think it is okay for you. So you can come here and bold it. So if this is okay by you, then it's fine. Come to this, our mission. You can say that our mission is to create transformed folks. That's transformed people. You can check on the vision. You can say the vision to 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 get out there. Okay, so in your case, it's not going to be the same thing as I'm choosing. All right, it's not going to be the same thing as I'm choosing, because whoever that you are doing it for will surely give you the things, the informations to fill in here. So let's assume this is it. You can come on this fourth one here. Then company profile. We need our logo. Let's use our logo as the profile. Let's use our logo as the profile. So this is it. Let's use our logo as the profile. So we can actually go here and go to elements and get a frame, so that we'll put it in straight. Come to elements here and search for frames. You can choose this one in circle. So let's delete this stuff here. Let's delete them. So let's bring our frame, then bring this, put it in here. So we've resized it and it's looking nice. So we can decide to change the colors of this to maybe something like this, since all of this is in our logo and it's looking nice. So this can be your profile, and you edit it. Key activities. We will be working as a team. Now the whole thing is shouty, so you just have to come here and change the color. Change the color, instead of white to something like this. Just try out something, you see. Then the right up, can now put it into white so that it will be showing. All right, just put it like that. Change the color and put it to this. Change the color of the right up, can turn it to white. So the whole thing looks nice. So this one here, you can decide to change the color, say to this, or this, or even this. Okay, so is it. We can delete the remaining one there. Let's delete every other one. Let's delete all of them. Let's delete all of them. We have gotten the one we need. So if you ever want to add another page where you make a different design, just click on this plus button. This page will be added. You can now start by changing the color to your specified color, or to a specific color you want. Then import text, upload your text here, upload your image, upload elements, any one of it that you like. Okay, so this is our presentation, and it is in 4 pages, all looking good and nice. Okay, so when you are done and you want to present, what you do is to just look here after this 3 dotted line. That place we usually save our work and it will save directly into our phone immediately. You see something like TV, just tap on it. Just tap on it, and this is how the presentation is going to. When the person is presenting, what they need to do is to you see this arrow pointing here. Just be clicking on it. Are you seeing it? Excellent, excellent. So when you are done, you can just click on that and it will go back. So this is all about presentation. So when you want to save it, this time around, you're not going to be saving it from that place we usually save it straight. You click on this last one here. Click on this last one. You can send it through the website. You can send it through email and other options here, like we've seen them. Now, if you want to save it directly to your phone, just click on download. Click on download. It will be downloaded straight to your mobile phone, straight to your gallery. Now you can decide to use it if it's what you're using for yourself, or send it to your clients however they want it. But if you want to send it straight here, just click there. You will see any social media platform that they want you to send it through. Just click from there and send it to them. Okay, so that is all about how to make outstanding presentation. So see you in the next class. Thank you.